Aloitetaan päivä turvallisesti teemalla Be Safe and Secure. Toivotetaan tervetulleeksi lavalle ensimmäiset esiintyjät Tanja Partanen, Niko Aminoff VMwarelta. Tervetuloa.
Hei, terve kaikille ja mukava nähdä teidät täällä Atean tapahtumassa. Monelle teistä on varmaan tuttu VMware ja tämän esityksen tulemme pitämään englanniksi. Without further ado, a lot of you are probably very familiar with VMware, but what you might not know is about VMware Cloud Foundation and our expertise in building a private cloud. VMware Cloud Foundation is our flagship product that we released last year around this time. And it really embodies and represents a fundamental shift in the way customers approach the deployment and building of private cloud infrastructure. Many of you are probably using on-prem infrastructure as well as public cloud environments. And at its core, VCF 9 brings together these trusted technologies that customers have relied on for over 25 years. This platform not only supports the development of traditional VMwares, but it also enables seamless deployment of containers and Kubernetes as native constructs. But let's move away from the technology and start looking at the business outcomes. VCF 9 drives business decisions at company levels. When we talk about VMware Cloud Foundation, it is not just about technology, it is about the business outcomes it drives. VCF helps organizations increase revenue by enabling faster innovation, adapting quickly to market changes, and improving decision-making through better visibility and control. It reduces the risk of strengthening compliance, improving security, and accelerating recovery from disruptions, which today is more important than ever. It lowers the cost of optimizing your infrastructure utilization, reducing waste through right sizing, and lowers operational costs with integrated automation. And at the end of the day, VCF is about helping organizations increase revenue, lower costs, and reduce risk. Although a more efficient, resilient, and agile cloud operation model. So what are the numbers? What can customers achieve with us today? These numbers come directly from our customers, from the CIOs, CTOs, and CEOs that drive business decisions. Organizing and adopting VMware Cloud Foundation are realizing measurable improvements across agility, efficiency, and cost. For example, they're deploying workloads 61% faster thanks to the agility delivered by VCF's fully integrated software-defined infrastructure. That agility isn't just about speed. It enables developers to move faster, test more efficiently, and bring new services to your customers quicker. They are also seeing a 66% faster resolution of data loss incidents. Ransomware, malware attacks, those are threats of today, and with the developing of AI attacks, VCF 9 allows you to respond to these threats quicker. And from the financial perspective, customers are also reporting a 34% reduction in infrastructure costs compared to traditional three-tier architecture, and a 40% reduction when compared to public cloud alternatives. It enables developers to move fast. It allows business users to develop products quicker, and it allows IT security professionals to respond to threats immediately. And when we talk about delivering the modern private cloud, VCF is a lot more than just vSphere and automation. We enable a cluster of VCF advanced services on top of this core platform. And this platform was first unveiled at the VMware Explore last year, and today we are here to deliver it to you. Where we have focused on broader VCF services, here we will specifically dive into the capabilities in VCF 9.0. VCF offers a flexible platform that can be deployed on-premise, in the clouds, within sovereign clouds, at the edge, and even in telco environments. This extensible approach allows VCF to support both traditional and modern application environments, enabling wide range of deployment scenarios. One key feature of VCF is the license portability. You can take your vSphere licenses and put them at any compatible endpoint, whether that is on-premise, on-device, or in the cloud. This feature allows customers to take entitlements purchased previously on-premise and extend them across your various environments. And as IT complexity increases every day, we will enable you to use VCF where you need it the most, enabling you to move from traditional siloed architecture into the future of today. And when we talk about the personas that interact with VCF today, typically we focus two main groups, the cloud admins and the consumers of the infrastructure. Cloud admins are responsible for deploying and managing the infrastructure from the ground up. This includes setting up initial environments, day zero, and managing capability, consuming proper configuration and tenancy, different consumers within the system. Cloud admins are also focused in reliability of each site. What VCF enables you to do is have the security, control, and compliance of traditional on-prem environment, and the agility, portability, and customization of the public cloud. And this really is the crux of our platform. We want to move you away from thinking about on-premise and the cloud as two different environments. Then this fundamental shift in VMware Cloud Foundation enables you to use both simultaneously through one unified interface. Your developers will no longer have to access different options and different software tools from different places. VCF 9 integrates them all into a single portable platform. And with VCF 9, all that functionality is integrated into the tool, providing a comprehensive view of both your private and on-prem environments. On the cloud consumption side, we've also consolidated the process under the automated framework, enabling cloud architects to consume services delivered at scale in a self-service manner. Features like self-service catalog make it easier for infrastructure users to consume, to deploy, and manage these services efficiently. We also support the running of Kubernetes, VMs, and traditional applications natively on our platform, and provide a platform that is both sovereign and secure. It includes built-in mechanisms to ensure that the data and the infrastructure is fully protected. It includes built-in mechanisms that allow you to scale securely. And finally, VCF 9 offers a complete cost transparency as you build and scale your systems. In the upcoming section, we will dive a little bit deeper into those numbers. And with VCF 9, innovation and efficiency has been the design principles into the core platform. The data is based on internal telemetry and total cost of ownership modeling. As deployment scale and testing measures, we expect these numbers to evolve, but they are already showing clear trends. It's not just about how you modernize or consume infrastructure. what's underneath the core platform is now hitting levels of efficiency and performance that we couldn't reach before. 38% lower memory and server total cost of ownership. With the NVMe-based memory tiering, VCF lets you shift cold memory pages from DRAM onto NVMe. In a balanced 50-50 configuration, you can run more workloads per host and reduce server countdown without impacting application performance. With 34% lower total cost of ownership, using vSAN ESA with global deduplication, we eliminate duplicate data across all of your data clusters in real time. This means fewer drivers, less power and cooling, and more efficient use of flash. We have 3 times the switching performance from the past. NSX enhanced data path bypasses the general purpose vSwitching with an accelerated path, delivering up to 3 times more packages per second. This improves throughput for east-west traffic and keeps application performance predictable even under severe load. And we have virtually 0% downtime for vMotion for AI. Many of you will have been told by your business leaders to try out AI, and we enable you to train models either on-premise or in the cloud through our integrated AI solutions. And now we come to the second section of our conversations. I would like to invite Tanja over to talk a little bit more about advanced cyber compliance. Tanja.
Thank you. Good morning, everybody. My name is Tanja Partanen. I'm an account director here at Broadcom at VMware. And today I am excited to announce a new capability for our VMware Cloud Foundation customers. It's called Advanced Cyber Compliance. Announced earlier this year at VMware Explore, this is a game changer for organizations facing increasing regulatory pressure and cyber threats. VMware Advanced Cyber Compliance is an offering engineered to elevate the security policy compliance, cyber risk management, and platform security for organizations who operate heavily regulated environments, or for those who simply want more robust functionality to support their critical business needs. First of all, I would like to walk you through why we have built this and what are the key challenges we have identified that has led us to structure the offer this way. The key focus of ACC is all about managing cyber risk and compliance. So compliance is no longer an optional. It is a business-critical requirement. There are many different challenges when we think about cybersecurity, but these 4 you can see on the slide are the ones that I will be focusing with you here today. Siloed policy management on how organizations operate and manage and enforce security policies. A lot of organizations are still working with the siloed infrastructure. This gives you a siloed visibility across the applications and your technology stack components. You need to manage these separately. And the problem with this is it gives you a reactive instead of a proactive response, and this could leave you open for the cyber security risk. Manual audits that consume time and resources. You have to integrate security, compliance, and resilience, and doing so in a way that is scalable and adapt. This creates inefficiencies and leaves you exposed to non-compliances and, worst case, to cyber attack, which can leave you to lose data and encrypt your systems. Stitching on multiple tools. Again, because of the siloed infrastructure, you have to use multiple different tools and manage them separately, and it will be creating the challenges. Limited visibility into compliance posture. There is a growing regulatory pressure, and the cyber attacks are becoming more and more sophisticated. All this while the cyber threats are evolving faster than ever. The results? Higher risk, higher cost, and slower response time. Did you know 65% of organizations fail at least one annual compliance audit due to lack of automation and visibility? This is from the Gartner study done earlier this year. The solution is the VMware Advanced Cyber Compliance. So these were the main reasons that has led us engineers our offer. Advanced Cyber Compliance, fully integrated solution that automates compliance checks and provides real-time visibility across your entire cloud infrastructure. There are 3 key pillars that brings you value. First of all, is automated compliance checks against industry frameworks like NIST, ISO, CIS. And now there is 2 main key components that I want to talk here about. First is VMware Salt to enable end-to-end continuous compliance and support this automated policy management across your workloads and your VCF stack components. Again, ability to do so at scale. The second one is the VMware Live Recovery, on-prem technology. No surprises there. This is a technology that most of you already know and love. Enabling confident cyber disaster recovery, not only for you to protect the VCF environments, but also use VCF isolated clean rooms for VCF recovery environments to fail over your workloads in the event of cyber attack or natural disaster. To deliver this value, we have been putting out to our customers already with the cloud. Guided workload, next-gen AVI, and isolated network. To ultimately deliver a confident recovery to help you to bounce back on shortest time in case worse should happen. Enhanced platform security. All of these defense mechanisms to enable you to stop attacks before they come in. What we want to do is to deliver enhanced capabilities as a part of your VCF platform that are designed to improve your cyber posture. Continuous monitoring for configuration drift. Integration with ARIA automation and ARIA operation for logs for end-to-end visibility. Pre-built dashboards and reports for audit readiness. This isn't just another tool. It is a compliance engine built in your cloud foundation environment. So what is the benefits for you? First of all, simplified audit. No more scrambling before deadlines. Reduce risk. Continuous compliance means fewer surprises. Operational efficiency. Free up your team to focus from the manual checks. Future-proofing. Stay ahead on evolving regulations. In short, save time, reduce risk, and gain peace of mind. And while we recommend this for absolutely everybody, the main customers we have been working with to produce this is the financial services to meet strict regulation standards, healthcare, protect sensitive patient data, and government agencies to ensure compliance with security mandates. If this is an interest topic for you, we are having later today also a webinar that I would like all of you to join, or please come to find us on our booth today, and we are happy to discuss more and talk with our more technical expert. This has been generally available from 3rd of November, so it's quite a new package that we have at the moment, but our main goal, of course, is to protect us from the cyber attacks. Thank you.
Kiitos Niko ja Tanja.
Kiitoksia.
Thank you.
Mikä olisi semmoinen tärkein asia, minkä toivoisitte, että meidän yleisö muistaisi tässä teidän esityksistä?
Jos yhden asian pitäisi
Yhden
muistaa,
asian.
ja vielä huomenakin.
Koko setistä.
No ehkä se on se, että VMwarea ei aloittaisi ainoastaan vSphere-tuotteina. Meillä on paljon muita tietoturvakapasiteettia, mitä me voidaan tarjota. Ja me emme ole ainoastaan on-prem-ympäristötuote enää. Me toimimme kaikkialla, joko se on teidän on-prem-ympäristöissä, pilvissä, on the edge tai telkoissa. Et me voidaan tuoda paljon lisäarvoa teille, jos te haluatte katsoa meidän tuotteita enemmän.
Yes. Kiitoksia.
Kiitos.
Oikein hyvä.
Kiitos.
Kiitos. Ja
Kiitos.
mukavaa, että pääsette käymään Suomessa.
Kiitos.
Totta kai.